Good morning and welcome to a beautiful morning here in Penrith in Cumbria, and this morning we're off to see the Wizard. The 156 is going in to see Dan at AutoLusso, home of Wizard exhausts, to have its front pipe replaced with some of their wonderful exhaust architecture. The exhaust on this car has always had a little sort of blow from the front, which, I mean, ultimately when you're in the car you can't hear it. You can hear it when you turn the engine on, if you're when you're outside the car. But it's never really bothered me that much. But as things have progressed with the car, what I've wanted to try and do is to sort of tick off little things and make sure that these little jobs eventually get sorted. So today is the day. So this video is going to really be about what's going on the car, what it sounds like now, and what it sounds like when these guys have finished their great work. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and comment. We've had some great comments about the 3-litre V6 video, so thanks to everybody that's taken the time to send us a message, and hopefully we've got back to everybody. But also, if you can subscribe as well. We're at, I don't know, 600 subscribers at the moment, and we just do this for fun. It's only for a laugh and for our own purposes, really. But ultimately, if we can get to 1,000 subscribers, that would be fantastic. So enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and yeah, look forward to bringing you something else a bit further down the line. So here I am. We arrived at AutoLusso, and we're just going to do a little bit of a before and after. So I'm going to turn the engine on, so hopefully the microphone will pick up the little blow at the front of the exhaust, so you get a little bit of an idea of how it sounds. It's not really going to change too much about what's going on at the back, because it already has a custom exhaust on this car. When I bought it, the previous owner had spent a lot of money having a really nice system put on the back there. So let's have a little bit of a before, and then once the guys have finished doing their work, we'll do another video just to see what the difference is and whether actually we can tell much of the difference when the car's running.
Well, so this is what we're changing. We've took the old 2.5 downpipes off and the cat. We're replacing them with some downpipes for a 3-litre GTV and the cat to match, because there's no good quality downpipes available for the early 2.5 V6 anymore. The GTV ones are 2 separate downpipes. The 156 ones are sort of a 2-into-1 style, and then we're just swapping the cat because the cat is a 2-into-1 style on the GTV cat. We'll have to cut the flange off the end and weld the flange on from the old 156 cat, which has a hanger incorporated into it. But that should be nice and straightforward. And yeah, then it should have some nice new downpipes.
The guys, Dan and Ben, have finished their work underneath the car on the exhaust. It looks a treat under there, it really does. Shame that more people aren't going to see it, only when it ever goes in the air on a ramp. But I'm really happy with the work that they've done. The video will show you the old parts that came off and also the new parts that went on, and everything back in place. So the only thing to do now is to fire it up and see how it sounds. At the beginning of the video I said that it's not going to make huge amounts of difference, but it will still be interesting to see, as the person who drives this car all the time, you know, whether I can tell the difference and what it feels like and what it sounds like too. So let's fire it up, and then all I need to do is take it out for a spin.
Hi, I'm Dan from AutoLusso Penrith and Wizard Exhausts. We've just finished on this 156 V6. It's a really lovely example. It's obviously had a lot of love in the past. We've just finished putting on a pair of downpipes, designed for a 3-litre GTV, but close enough to fit to this with a replacement cat as well. Job went quite well. Had to put a new lambda sensor on as well, as the old one didn't like coming out. But other than that, nice job, and that is us done.
Well, I've just picked up the 156 from AutoLusso Penrith, also home of Wizard Exhausts. Thanks to Dan and Ben, well, great lads. They're really happy to let me do some video of the work they were doing. Had some great chats with them, a couple of good laughs, smashing guys, really good. So first drive with the replacement exhaust which they've put on. First of all, it looks fabulous. It's never going to get seen by many people. There's obviously there's a blow in the other exhaust, so it does sound a bit quieter. It's also got a little bit of a fizz, very subtle fizz, just as you get up the rev range as well. So that's a lovely new addition to the soundtrack of this car. I'm really pleased with that. Dan did mention that there's probably a little blow in the manifold, so I need to go on the hunt now for a front manifold for this car, and it'll probably go back in there because they were such good guys. Next time I'm back up in Penrith visiting some friends, I'll probably ask them guys to do it as well. So overall, I'm really happy. It's another box ticked on this car with the work that I've been wanting to do to it, and the guys there really liked it as well. They said they don't really see many 156s in the condition that this one's in, so that's also pumped my tyres up a little bit. So back now to edit the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and probably celebrate with a pint of beer. It's such a beautiful day and the weekend's about to start, so thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed it.